Right, what have we got to do to finish off that van?
Video.
Yeah, boy. Cut to the cinematic video.
Welcome to the van tour. 240 plug that you can use when he's outside with the awning out. Up here, awning. Sink with a, what do you call this?
Well, it's an under-mounted sink, isn't it?
Yeah. What do you call this bit? It's a little cover. Extra worktop space when you're not using it.
Yeah.
Got storage under the seat, under all of them. That's where the diesel heater is as well. Under there.
Wow, how come it's got them lines on?
So when you take it off, you know which is the front because it only goes on one way.
Yeah, boy.
Swivelly table.
What's the table leg called?
Lagoon leg.
Yeah, boy.
Adjustable height and everything. Another 240 socket. And you might be thinking, why is it upside down? Well, we've thought about this. So when you sat on here on your laptop or your phone or whatever, the plug goes straight up and in.
Clever.
Diesel heater control.
Just on the diesel heater control.
You can do it through your phone.
Bluetooth, isn't it? So it'll hardly ever be used.
Boop. I like these.
Good, aren't they?
Storage in here, bulkhead, it's all carpeted nice. Seat light. And then here we've got switches for the pump and the heater, which are in the back down there, we'll show you in a bit. USBs, 240 sockets and a kitchen light. And the main light switch.
Just a quick one on that kitchen light. Because there's no cupboard here because of the tall boy, we wanted an extra kitchen light, so we've just hidden it in there. Nice little strip. And you can't see it once it's out, once it's turned off.
Rolled off.
Beautiful. Thank you, Reese, as ever.
Max door.
Oh, she'll come in.
Yeah. So when you're getting your hot sweaty showers, you can have your light on and whoop. Set fan on. Is that everything in here?
Yeah, that's cool, isn't it? You know, when you use a Rico board on the back, imagine having the same gap at that side as that side.
That is good, isn't it?
That's just the norm, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Step
Oh yeah.
with secret storage.
Hidey hole. Look at the flooring. Beautiful Candine flooring.
Big boy fridge freezer.
CRX 90 with a freezer bit at the top. Oh, minus 19 in there. Keep your cornettos and your ice pops in there.
Extra cupboards. More storage. Quite big them, aren't they?
That's like a tin cupboard top one, isn't it?
For all your beans.
Air fryer or out in there, whatever you want to keep in there. Massive storage under that one as well, isn't there?
Yeah. The diesel heater goes into the shower as well. Keep you warm. Can't show them that, did we?
Oh, a little drying room.
Is that everything in
Little
there?
pump on. Get shower on, love. Get shower on. Oh, baby.
That was the heater. That's the pump. There we go.
Oh. Beautiful.
All hot water as well.
So this far one's the pump. And that's the water heater.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Main lights, we think main lights.
Yeah, we'll put them on with the kitchen.
Oh, that's kitchen light.
Oh, it's light on this as well.
There's plenty of lighting, isn't there? As you can see, the lats. Beautiful chamfer there. And then come all the way down to the seating.
Not sure I'm the nicest part of the bulkhead, really.
Oh, the bulkhead!
Explain,
Let's go back.
Look at the patterns on that.
Look at that gap there. There. Just all perfection.
With a little shelf on top for your
Little shit.
veggies.
Veggies.
Veggies. What does Rick call them? Veg stickers.
Veg stickers. Yeah, beautiful. And then, right, we had a bit of artistic license with this. So, rather than just going straight across with the cladding, just did something a little bit fancy. We did suggest that there was there could be a cut through, like on the other van, like a walk through door, or just like a hatch. But the customers wanted to feel like once there was in the back, like they want in the van.
Scrambled eggs or something like that.
Yes.
Yes.
Pop that down. You pop that down, Sam. It's hard with one hand. Get that.
Cupboards. More storage. Got plenty, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Little blind.
It's a beaut, isn't it? Exterior. Rug alloys, as always. These are, I can't remember what these ones are called, but they are beautiful.
They're nice ones.
They are really nice,
I think
aren't
they're
they?
my favourite ones we've had so far. External shower.
Oh yes. Have we got the shower? Can we show it?
Yeah, let me just have a quick look on.
So we've got an external shower. Oh yeah.
Washing your little doggy or whatever you want to do.
Well, he's a cyclist, isn't he?
Wash his bike.
Yeah, he washes his bike down or whatnot. And that's hot and cold as well.
Yeah. Adjust it like that.
I tell you what, on a nice hot summer's day as well, if you want cooling down, just
Just like that.
go and do it.
I was, but if I'm at work and I'll be wet.
That's awesome, that. Fill-up point. Magnetic power, as usual. And obviously we've got the graphics on the outside as well.
Make sure you drain it out after as well. Hold the button and go like that. Get all the water out.
Pop on the old garage light.
Battery.
We're going electrics first.
Yeah, what is it? 620 something?
628, but actually it's 647, I think it was.
Something like that, I don't know.
Humongous.
Big boy anyway.
Yeah.
The isolator.
So that is a four-way isolator, isn't it? Just in case they ever want to add a second battery.
Yeah.
Which would be crazy with this kind of power, but you just
don't need to.
future-proofed, isn't it?
What are these RCDs?
Yeah.
For the 240 and the shore power. Solar charger. DC to DC. I like them. Links distributed.
Cool,
Nice.
like that.
3000 watt inverter and a charger.
40 amp charger. Fuse board. All nice, neat, tidy. Two plugs on the front here. Might label them up actually. One for the charger. The second one goes into the inverter up here, so when it's on hookup, your inverter automatically knows just to pass through the current and use that current in there. So that double socket there, guys, only works off hookup. Won't work off the inverter or anything, just off hookup. So that will automatically put your charger on and tell your inverter to use it on there. Orion XS as usual. It's beautiful, isn't it? What about it?
Really see. If you look through the top up here, you can sort of see. If you look over.
Well, we've all seen pipes, haven't we, before?
Pipe, pump, heater.
We've done something a little different on this one, haven't we?
Makes it look a lot neater.
Yeah, because he's going to be putting his bikes in and things like that. I think it'll help
Protect it as well.
protect everything, and it just looks a fair bit neater, doesn't it?
Like the little border around it.
Yeah, he's done a good job as old blood there, hasn't he? What do you think, guys? Do you think that looks better than our usual?
Well, I like to see the plumbing, but I do like it.
I know you do like to see
all my work's covered up now. All that carpet, all really arches, everything.
Oh, it's also had on this van, it's had a tow bar from, what's it, Bars R Ruds?
I don't know.
did that, didn't they?
Down the road.
Yeah, good lad, wasn't he?
Yeah.
And that's about it. Let us know what you think of this one. It's really, really different, isn't it? But I do like it. It's cool, isn't it?
I like it.
Well, the customer's gone for some really special fabric on these for the seat covers, so that's going directly to them.
Solar. What solar panels it got?
Solar 405, I think. Obviously the wind out horn in there. The Dometic 4 metre. It's very, very pretty. If you're thinking of a van for next summer, we have got a couple of winter slots left actually, haven't we?
I don't know, all I know is we're really busy.
Yeah, I think we're pretty much booked up until September-ish. Maybe October. So we have got some winter slots, so get ready for next summer. And on that note, we shall see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, bye.